Oh, hello, not you guys again. Oh, God. Why'd you have to fucking look at me for early in the morning like that? Oh, fuck off. Give this video a like. Thank you. Hello, Nikki Madonna. Do you like my makeup? Doing all absolutely gorgeous. We're talking about door closers today. Here we are. Here is the Dormer. Let's just see what one it is, because I don't know what one it is. And this one just breaks within 5 minutes if you're fucking putting it on the door, bruv. Literally. They like you to play a game of hopscotch and jiggery pokery when it comes to putting the fucking ends on. So I wouldn't even bother buying one. So yeah, this is plastic there. Plastic there. Plastic fantastic, and my mum is a spastic. Not very nice, is it? Don't be so rude and impertinent in this video, thank you. So there's a door closer. Doesn't it look lovely? I like to use these as guns. Live fast, die young, bad girls, do it well. Live fast, buy young, good bells, good pals. Good girls, do it well. Live fast, die young, good girls, do it well. One I'm chaining on my chest. But you know, these are really good door closers. It's got a plastic bit there that just basically snacks on. So we just pull that bit off, right on. There we go. For all the homeless people I'm wondering in Edinburgh why you're homeless, it's because I took all the door closers. I'm so sorry. Not really. I'm only joking. But homeless people in Edinburgh don't like me that much because they know I got a fast track for a house. But no, I'm so sorry. You know, some people are here for a reason and some people are, let's just say, Madonnings. Some people are getting accommodated for a reason, so that's why. But yeah, I do help people in Edinburgh actively get off the streets. And I give someone 20 quid the other day anyway to get off the streets. I got them off the street. Just how nice Michelle is. So let's just try this one last time. Hang on. Ready? Oh my god, it's got faster. Why's it got faster for? We just touched it, guys. It's scary. It's got faster. Why's it got faster for? This is altered. I even touched the bastard. Oh. Wasn't that fast when I first tried it? What's going on? Watch, guys. I'm about to take my finger off now. Watch. Ready? Watch it. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Oh. It's because I'm Satan and anything I touch it fucks or it dies and it breaks. Yeah, I know. It's a bit dangerous, Madonna. Dangerous, Madonna. I know. Very dangerous. Do be careful. I know. Try and be careful. What way does it go on? I don't know. I forgot. I'm ambidextrous. Hang on. Goes on like this somehow. So if you just tuned in, I'm not playing with me cock. I'm just trying to get the shell back on the door closer. Will you stop flapping about in my face? Fuck's sake. Don't mind me ex doing it, but this is annoying. There we are. Ah, there we are. Done it. Oh, done it. There we are. Matty Lucas from Norwich, Madonna. If you want to come and marry me, I'll buy all the drinks. Depends if he wants to be in Malibu with me on the beach and sunset or not. So it's up to you, Matty Lucas, if you want to be my future husband and be sipping Malibu and pints on the beach. Then, do you know what I mean? The choice is there. The choice is yours, sweetheart. No one's forcing you. Once these are all sold, I'll be a millionairess. I will. That's the plan anyway. Sell all my door closers for £2 million when I'm older. Yeah. So that's that cam action sliding one. This is an all good door closer. All good and hood brother. Let's see what this one does. Oh, got to sit down and get like an old granny. 2 seconds, guys. I need to sit down. Thumbs up, please, because Michelle goes into big lengths to talking through these door closers. And she's to sit down because she's got arthritis. Anyways, so this is an all good door closer. I mean, it would be good if they actually worked properly. But no, this one doesn't work properly because the fucking arm on it is a Gaylord bent cunt. And you can only put it in a certain position before it's meant to like close the door right into the frame. But it doesn't because the way they fitted the arm means that you can't basically... Well, you can open the door with it on it, but there's going to be a gap because it doesn't close right up into the frame. So that's why they sold these ones, because these are all shit. There's a name on it. I'm going to change it to all shit, but yeah, they are alright, I suppose. They're like for being put in a commercial building, I suppose. They are. But I mean, it closes the door, it does it really well. Look at the latch action on this. Ready? Oh, shit. There, took the thumb off. What about Philip Wayne from Great Yarmouth? Could he afford to buy one of these? Well, I suppose so. He needs to put one on his door then, doesn't he? He does, actually. Philip Wayne from Hawkins Avenue in Great Yarmouth. You need to put one on your door, darling, because it'll save your life and it'll look lovely. Fuck Diane Wayne, you don't like her anyway. Just put one on your front door. It'll look nice and pretty. Look at that. Who's not going to want that on their door? Huh? Who's not going to want that on their door? It's going to save your life. It's going to look pretty. And it makes the door look like a door. It's called All Good. See that? Looks lovely. Thumbs up if you want that on your front door. Just be careful because this bit's got a bit of a habit of coming and sliding and whack you in the face. I mean, but yeah, that just looks beautiful. That's the All Good one, guys. Thumbs up for the All Good Cam Action Sliding Door Closer. I've got two of them. I'm not showing you the other one because it does exactly the same. So the next door closer I've got is the gold. Cheap and cheerful. You can tell the difference because it's cheap. This one cost me £40, but it closes the door really well, and it comes with a little squeak. But honestly, guys, you get what you pay for. Sometimes cheap is all right, and this circumstance, cheap is all right. I got this one from Screwfix. Cost me £48, and it's just a nice little one. It's a copy of a Dormer one that I've got. But they're just beautiful, they look nice, it's cheap, and it closes the door really well. Depends how much money you want to spend on one. If you want one looking £5 million, then you just buy a really expensive one for 125 quid. Or you buy one for £40. The choice is up to you. It will close the door still really well, but if I were you, instead of spending £40, go and buy one for £125 like this one, because this one's going to last you years. This one's going to last 6 weeks and it's broke. Beautiful, blamissimo. Thumbs up, please. Thank you. So just put that one back to the side there. Right. My next favourite one is these ones here. This is an Arrow door closer here. Oh, shit, Nuke keeps taking my bloody head off with these arms. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very is dangerous. Dangerous, very is dangerous. So yeah, this is an Arrow one. It's mounted in a parallel position, so it does close the door really well. Got this one off the building site ages ago from a derelict building in Glasgow. And I took all 150 of them because the building was being knocked down and the builder said I could have them. Hooray! So yeah, let's just pull up one bit there. In Edinburgh, stop fitting CCTV so I can't take the door closers because I'll burn the fucking camera pole down and shove up my ass and I'll set the fucking camera pole on fire. So yeah, armadillos will last 5 minutes when I'm about, so don't bother putting cameras up because I'll set them on fire. Thank you. Oh dear. I pulled a Mooney at one the other week. Woo. There we are. Lovely closing speed, lovely action there, guys. Let's show that again. Hang on. Very nice closing. But no, we don't like batty boy doors to close slow, do we? No, we like it fast, and we like doors to close bang. We do. Fucking aircon's gonna make me jump again, excuse me. Makes me jump each time, it really does. But yeah, these are just amazing door closers, guys, really are. There are a few more there, but I can't be asked to pull them out the pile, Daddy. I'll show you one more. I'm getting tired, old and wrinkly and bored. I've only had a tin of baked beans this morning. I'm going to flake out like a battery again, so that's why I have to be so long, because I flake out like a car. And then I'm dead again, and I go to sleep again for the whole day till I get paid. But yeah, oh, there we are, there's another one there. This is an Axin one. This is what the Explorer Return sent me. These are beautiful, but they're fucking huge, pump. They really are. They weigh like a car. They really do. Let's show you this one. And let's just say, let alone getting through the door, literally this one here would take your door off. It's so fucking heavy, it really is. Oh, it's been marked by fucking Satan himself. Why can't Satan stop marking my shit? It's okay if you just tuned in on Satan and everything that I own gets marked with the devil's scratch. There we go, look. 1, 2, 3. See it? Hang on. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. See the distinct scratch marks on that? I know it's Satan, isn't it? I come alive in the middle of the night sometimes for some food from the fridge, and yeah, basically, I discovered it's just a bit, it's a bit hard, it's a bit metally. Hang on, try and eat something. Oh, it hurts. Oh, the batty boy tosser weightlifter builder across the road from me has opened his curtains. Well done. First time in 2 years. Let's try and push the door closer while I'm open. Hang on, that's so fucking huge. Door closers don't need to be that big, honestly, to close the fucking door. I really don't. Whew. I mean, it goes that fucking slow that you can fucking watch paint dry, guys. Johnny. It's getting there. Come on. People ain't got all day. Oh, it reminds me when I get an erection in the morning. Anyways, that looks absolutely fantastic. Fandabidozy Medulix. Tell me what everybody thinks in this video, please. Give this video a big like and a thumbs up, because I'm going to flake a lot of battery soon, because I'm half getting left. Anyways, right, let's just put this door closer on the desk. Come on. Gone back to the days of going, because I run out of energy and I run out of oxygen. So instead of me panicking about my heart condition, I just go. It's either that or heart palpitation, heart palpitation. Where does it go? I don't know. I had to fit in like a fucking jigsaw, and I'm not paying Tetris to go. Right. There's another one of these ones. Dormer TS83. You could barely fucking open the door, let alone when one's on, literally. Who wants that on the door? Well, I don't know, somebody would, but you know, I mean, you can't even open it when it's on. That come from eBay, 68 quid. Why do I buy door closers? Well, because I'd rather fucking buy them and give them to LGBT. I'd rather fucking buy door closers than fucking give LGBT money. So this is a Dormer, hang on. This is a Dormer, I don't know. Dormer, size 3, something. Oh yeah, it says it here. TS 440 something like that. TS83 something. But yeah, they've made a smaller door closer body, right? This is really stupid, guys. Why have they done this for? But made the door closer with a big shell? What's the point of that? Why did you bother with that for? What, to make it look pretty? Because it looks ugly anyway. What's the point of that? Putting a big shell on an ugly bastard? It's like swapping a boyfriend and grinding on it because he's ugly and you want someone better. What would I do? Wouldn't go and grind in the first place, darling. You know what I mean? Grinding's fine now, I like grinding. Ow. It's hard again. This one's got built-in back check and that traction. Because I nearly took my fucking thumb off again! Yeah. I'll close the door really well. It's got this lovely little case on it. And then they've got like this little bracket that fits it up properly, but that's how it goes. It's beautiful. Bravissimo, gracias. Looks lovely. Now I've spoken about all of them, I can't be asked to talk about anymore. I'll speak about a few more before I flake out like a battery. That's me brand new one. I've had this for a while now, but this be all but one. Lovely little one. Gonna buy 5 million of these. They're just lovely. It's gold. We'll have all the gold. And you just literally pull it out, like I say, when you get it in the box. Lovely little door closer, that one. My parents would be stupid not to have that on their door because it's just beautiful, it really is. That looked lovely in my mum's dining room because she's got all mahogany. She has. There we go, look at that. Gorgeous. It comes with the arm, the brackets, everything. That was just lovely, it really is. Comes with instructions, you put the top on like that. Door closers come in all shapes and sizes, and I would choose my parents, the best one I only would. But that one was 48 quid, and I picked it up from Glasgow because the guy, the builder, did not want it. So yeah. Here's another one of my favourite ones. Hang on, where is it now? Let me just show you another one of my favourite ones. It's here somewhere. Gonna flake up like a pansy a minute. Oh. Pack on, can't fucking find it. See it somewhere over the rainbow, but I can't find it because I'm fucking ambidextrous and I'm blind. But these guys live all inside my wardrobe. They do. So let's go and put these away before I flake out like a pansy. Flake out like a pansy in a moment. William. Oh, look at all this work. It took me 2 hours to get all this out. Back them in. So heavy, they really are. So heavy as well. Wish I had a boyfriend that could help me. Get so tired doing this all by myself. Really does. Took me 4.5 hours last night to take all my door closers up my bedroom. 4.5 hours. That's how long that took you now. 4.5 hours. Yeah. Take a long time. 4.5 hours it really took last night. Just didn't have the energy anymore. I actually don't. Oh god. Gonna need a van. Gonna need a fucking skip when I move. Oh, what's the one I forgot to show you? Oh no, I did show you. I can't wait to get more of those. It's lovely there. Need to keep that one out as an example. We do. They're the more ones I'm getting, and this one, so that needs to stay out. That needs to stay out. These can go all in the cupboard. Oh, I've got another one there. See how long, guys, it takes me to clear all these door closers away. It's fucking ridiculous. There it is. Each one of these is £150, so it's 150, 250, 350, 450, 5. About 3, 4, 5 grand there at least. So heavy. About £5,000 here with the, well, more than that. Oh, fucking hell. Back in the cupboard they go. I'm now going, guys. It takes me hours to put these away. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next door close review.